Hello there, Ant here, the AI old timer. Just thought I'd share this because I am thoroughly fed up. It's been a really tough day for a Monday. I definitely need a whiskey. I don't think I'm cut out for this AI malarkey. I mean, I'm just not smart enough. I'm using Frank, my ChatGPT thingy, and I'm desperately trying to create some agents. And I was trying to do an email agent, trying to get it to auto respond to emails that come in and what have you. And I was just doing my fucking head in. It was just I couldn't get anything to work. So since I've been putting up posts on X and LinkedIn, trying to promote this channel and the old timer business, I thought, I know, here we go. I'm a bit of a dimbo, aren't I? Start of the year, I was retired, no worries. Didn't have to worry about anything, and I decided, because I was bored, to get into this AI malarkey, and I just created a massive headache. I mean, I'm three months in, and I don't really feel as though I've made any progress. Got a lot of these. YouTube, that's about the only thing that I'm particularly good at, but I still only have 42 subscribers. Have a look at my book giveaway that I did this morning. In fact, the day started really well actually with that, I just sort of feel as though I've spent 8 hours and accomplished a big F all. Because I thought, all right, we'll try something easier. I asked Frank, I said, how about if we get ChatGPT to automatically generate some posts and put them up on X and LinkedIn? And he went, oh yeah, that's quite easy. So we spent about 3 hours trying to do that, and he suggested Zapier, which I tried earlier in the year and couldn't really get my head around. Made a little bit more progress today, but Zapier wouldn't accept my API keys for ChatGPT. Even put more money into it so that it would, because that's a different part of GPT. I discovered that if you want to use API capabilities, it costs more. It's not a lot of money, but it's just fucking annoying that nothing seems to work. I do have a backup plan. I put a post up, I think yesterday, asking for developers that might want to work with me, because I'm pretty au fait with sales and marketing. That side I've done for fucking decades. All of this techie side, it is just doing my nut. It really is. I'm not giving up. That's the whole purpose of this this channel and this journey, is to log these frustrations, and hopefully there are going to be some wins along the way. But I'm giving up for the day. I'm thoroughly dejected and disheartened, and going to drown my sorrows with some very nice aged whiskey. So sorry, bit of a moan, but I could do a bit of a boost. So please give me a cheer along in the comments, and be nice to get my subscriber count up, because it's kind of been stuck at 42 for what seems like forever. But I know it's a long slog, and I've set myself the goal of putting up 1,000 videos. So that's my goal, and I'm way short of that. So I'll probably be posting a lot more regularly, and see what happens. So anyway, good night. I hope you had a better day than me, and the week can only get better. So bye for now.